Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge tart. Start by gathering ingredients and preheating the oven to 350 degrees F. Keep your chocolate and butter at room temperature for easier melting and smoother texture. Use good quality chocolate for richer flavor and measure sugar and cocoa carefully. Line your tart pan and have a spatula ready for folding. These small steps make the baking process calm and predictable today. For the crust, choose a sturdy base such as shortbread or crushed cookies mixed with melted butter. Press the mixture firmly and evenly into the tart pan, reaching the edges for a neat rim. Chill the crust to set the butter, then blind bake until it just holds shape to avoid soggy bottoms. Allow it to cool slightly before adding the hot fudge, filling to protect texture and ensure clean slices. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more baking tips and tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you measure, whisk, and taste test, and it won't spill near your chocolate. It's a handy kitchen companion for long baking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Melt chocolate and butter gently to prevent grainy texture, then whisk in sugar and cocoa for consistent sweetness. Add eggs one at a time, mixing slowly for a glossy, stable filling that will set well. Pour into the pre-baked crust and bake until the center shows a slight wobble, which gives a creamy fudge finish once chilled. Cool fully and refrigerate to firm the tart before slicing and serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.